Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue when trying to edit or access a file or folder versus error occurred applying attributes to the file. So this can be a fairly common occurrence, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve it. So you want to take ownership of whatever the file or folder you're having the problem with. So let's just say this folder on our desktop's where we're having the problem. So we're just going to go ahead and right click on it, and then we're going to select properties, select the security tab, and now you want to select the advanced option near the bottom. Select the change button right here, and now we're just enter object name, type in everyone, and then select check names, select OK, and then check mark where it says replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and then select apply, and then select OK for that security notice, and then select OK again. Select OK to close out of that properties window, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.